Yeah, and we have lovely smell of lithium-ion battery, which is quite familiar here to us. And now we are going to stay back for a while because it can still explode. And now is the moment of truth. We are going to take the iPhone out of the tools, or at least try. The lower part is... That was quite loud. And then the paper. No explosions. I think this is not real paper. There has to be something wrong with it. Yeah, so it didn't explode. It's the soap. Yeah, I think that is go. Oh, the tool came loose. Yeah, that was quite good. I think we have to open the blast shield and have a look. Yeah, I think this is quite flat now. I'm not sure if there's any key components that still have to be crushed. I think we are going to continue to the control now. It looks surprisingly good, it's only quite flat. And here it is, Xbox 360 Slim Edition by Hydraulic Press Channel. Yeah, they are quite flat and nice now. Yeah, I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a... So, give us two. Yeah, let's start. And first one is Tupecon. So this one was 3D printed and it is quite hollow, there isn't much material. And the base one is slightly warm. Yeah, next one. And then the most positive person award. this one was really tough compared to that Tupecon award. And then the table. This is rated for 25 kilograms, which is slightly less than 100 tons. So I think we can crush it. Yeah, it's time to finish the job. I thought that these are made out of wood, but they are made out of nothing. Yeah, now both ours and the table are crushed, and it was really nice to have two of them. Oh. The fucking thing flied out of the camera window almost to our main camera. And then the cabbage. Yeah, this one went quite easy, and I think this is most easiest way to make that salad, or what you call that thing. And then the durian. This smells so bad even when it's like intact that we are kept it outside of our house, and I think the smell is going to be released when we crush this. So let's hope that we survive. Oh, what the fuck? That's even. That looks very nasty. Yeah, let's open the blast seal and have a smell. It is quite strong smell. On the scale 0 to surströmming, this is about 8. And surströmming is full 10. And if you want to see some surströmming action, I put link about here. Here is video on where we explode kind of surströmming. Yeah, Anne, come here. We have to taste this. Yeah, we have to taste this. I'm not sure what part is eatable and what is not, so I just... It tastes a bit sweet and quite much the same that it smells, so... I think I'm not friend of durian, but probably maybe people eat it with something else or something, but I wouldn't eat it on this. Yeah, I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Anni, what the hell you are doing with that gas mask?
I don't breathe.
Yeah, the smell is all around us. It is whole the yard smells like shit. And the smell isn't that bad with the surströmming, but there is much more of it. Don't break durians. Don't touch these. And for today's extra content, we have this very hung controller also, or fix it. Yeah, let's see. And here we go. Better than the Xbox. Yeah, I think we open the blast shell and have a look. So the PlayStation got crushed and folded. Yeah, I think we have to crush the controller now. Yeah, that went quite well. It is in quite bad shape. Yeah. You have been asking lately two things from us. What the fuck shirt and opportunity to buy something that we have crushed. And now we make both of those true. Here are our what the fuck t-shirts. And with every shirt that you buy before 26th day of this month, you get one crushed coin, which is crushed with our press by my. Yeah, let's see. That was quite lame. And then the second one standing up. Oh! What the fuck? I was completely sure that I was absolutely sure that it would somehow crack and come to million pieces, but no, it's just like crumbled slowly. Very strange. And then the larger one. Yeah, this one started with bang and then the same thing as last one. Yeah, and then the main opponent of the day, the carbon sandwich. And then this carbon sandwich piece, this is going to be really hard, and I think it's not going to be destroyed with this tool, but let's try anyways. Yeah, it seems that it didn't do anything for the piece. And now I have smaller tool. I think it's about maybe 60% of surface area of the last tool, so almost twice the pressure against the carbon fiber. Let's see. Absolutely nothing. And as a last resort, I am forced to integrate this nut to the carbon fiber. I am quite sure that the nut will penetrate the carbon fiber, but let's see. What the fuck? I cannot see nuts and the carbon fiber looks just fine. I think I did some kind of magic trick. Let's see. So the nut should be inside of that carbon fiber, and let's have a look. Yeah, it is there. Now you can see it quite clearly. And on the bottom, this looks completely fine. Yeah, this is one of the toughest things that we are crushed, because even the nut didn't break it. It's just like integrated there and leave the most of the thing intact. Yeah, I think. Voi vittu. I think this ball is extremely hard, because I used just way more power than with the steel one, and it just did like hole for itself to our hardened tools. So we are going to, of course, use the full force, but I think this is very risky and dangerous, so we are taking some distance to the press and use extremely complicated remote control and take cover from behind some kind of blast shield. What the fuck? So we are just inspecting the situation, and first thing that we noticed that there isn't any ball between those tools. That is good thing. And then second thing that we noticed is the thing that this used to be right here, and these should be on those. So our blast shield was planning to escape also the situation. And these are jumped, you can see that nicely in slow motion, and it was about, I think the pressurometer was about in 250, so it was about the full force, so we really don't be able to crush the larger one with this press. It has to be left for the mega press. And now the moment of truth, what lies behind the press. Yeah, no ball. So the mighty ball is now fine dust. It's just like sand. And check out the hole in the hardened steel. These are, I think these are much stronger than steel balls. And I have some secrets to show you. So here is the larger one of those two balls that I just showed to you. And this isn't gonna be crushed with this press. But I have nasty surprise that I haven't shown you yet. This is the fucking shit. Look the difference. I think this is going to be really tough ball for even our mega press. Yeah. And then the marble balls. These are going to be child's play. And I think we start with this. Yeah, that was very nice. Let's see. Yeah, and here is the end result. It is quite hot. You can barely touch it by bare hand. And it is crushed quite well. It's very nice. It's almost like modern art. Next one, the round tube. Yeah, that was quite similar result. Let's see. Yeah, there was quite a lot of some kind of rust and other stuff on the surface that got away, and the bottom part is like this, and the upper part isn't anymore round shaped. I'm not sure what shape this is. And it is also extremely hot. Probably around 60 degrees maybe. And then the copper tube. This is much smaller and softer than other tubes, so this could be a bit different. It is giant coin now. Yeah, and this isn't so hot because it's so soft that it didn't resist much the press. And I think I should do this video again with some kind of thermal camera. I should buy one of those. Yeah. Yeah, this was quite simple and interesting video, and I am probably going to do something similar with thermal camera. I have to just buy one from somewhere.